On shift, assumptions move fast. We assume someone doesn't care. We assume they're distracted. We assume they're resistant. But assumptions are shortcuts. And shortcuts often miss the truth. Strong supervisors replace assumption with one simple habit. They ask before they assume. Across hospitality teams, I've seen supervisors dramatically improve team consistency with one small shift, replacing conclusions with questions. In high-pressure environments, it feels efficient to assume intention and move directly to correction, but that approach often creates defensiveness and friction. The supervisors who build steady influence are the ones who slow down long enough to understand what drives performance before they attempt to improve it. Have one short curiosity conversation. Ask, what helps you perform at your best? Then listen. Do not correct. Do not redirect. Do not fix. Just learn. That single question reveals confidence gaps, clarity gaps, communication preferences, pressure points. It also signals respect. When supervisors ask before they assume, team members feel seen, not judged. That reduces defensiveness before accountability is even required. The effectiveness of this habit depends on delivery. Keep the tone calm. Keep the body language open. Keep the intention clear. This is not a disguised performance review. It is information gathering. And information strengthens leadership. On your next shift, choose one team member. Ask one question. What helps you perform at your best? Then pause. Leadership growth often begins with one disciplined conversation. Ask before you assume. That's how standards strengthen, without unnecessary friction.